Hello, welcome back. So today we are going to run through my results using the CurrentBody skin. This is the LED Mask Series 2 version. I've been using it now for just over a month. The results are absolutely amazing. I love this. I just want to start off by saying this isn't sponsored. This was gifted to me just in PR. I had no obligation to post anything. If anything, they wanted me to just kind of do a little review as a short, TikTok reel, that sort of thing. Not by any means did they want me to film a long form video, but because I've been loving this so much, I just felt like it deserved it. So if you've been following me for a while, you'll probably know I absolutely love LED therapy. It is incredible. It's so underrated. It really is. I know it's been making a bit of a kind of, it's gone a bit viral, shall we say, over the past few months, I would say, but I've actually been using it for years and years now. I actually used to use it in my facial treatments back when I had my beauty salon, like pre-COVID or pre-pandemic. So yeah, I really do highly rate it. It definitely does give good results if used consistently. There are other LED devices that I have, or masks I should say, that I've tried in the past. Still really like those. However, I have to say that this one tops them like up here. It is incredible. So this is what the mask looks like. As you can see, it's really nice and flexible, which I love. I've had some like this before that are flexible, like this kind of material, but they don't have this like contoured like design to them. Can you see? It kind of comes it is contoured. It's really hard to explain, but it surrounds your face so comfortably. When you've got it on, it is so comfortable, doesn't slip down, which I've found like with some of the hard masks, you know, they start off in place and then by the end of it your eyes are down here and you have to keep like pushing it back up. This one doesn't do that at all, and I love the fact as well that round the bottom here, it's got this curved bit that goes perfectly under your chin as well. So as I say, it is super, super comfortable. The inside has these eye protectors, I suppose. So these go like around your eyes. I've actually had it on this morning. You do look like you've worn glasses for about an hour afterwards, but that's absolutely fine. I'd rather that than not protect my eyes. So you can see all of the LEDs inside here as well. I love, excuse me, I love the fact that it's got like this open mouthpiece as well. I get quite kind of claustrophobic with the ones that don't have like an opening for the mouth and the nose, you know, where they're just like eyes and then the rest is covered. I do feel a bit like, ooh, when I've got those on, but I like the fact that this has got the mouthpiece and also this flexible bit, which has LEDs underneath it as well, that kind of, you know, goes over your nose quite nicely as well. Also has these adjustable straps, which are really comfy. So the straps themselves are, you know, stretchy, but they have this Velcro patch like circle in here. So they're nice and adjustable as well. And it's quite wide as well. So, you know, when you've got it on, it covers most of the back of your head, which is another reason why it stops it from slipping down. And this is also the remote, shall we say, which has a clip on here. So, you know, you can just pop your mask on, clip it to your top, and then you're sort of hands-free to do whatever you want as well. I like that. I like the hands-free ones where I don't just have to sit there and do nothing. It's lovely, don't get me wrong sometimes, but sometimes you just want to stick it on and then, I don't know, put your washing away or whatever. So I do like the fact that it is hands-free. And then we have our power button here, which you just hold down, and then as you can hear there. So yeah, the mask will come on, and then to turn it off, you just hold it again and it will turn off. But it is recommended to use it for 10 minutes at a time, and it does have a self timer on it. It'll automatically turn off after 10 minutes anyway. It's also fully rechargeable with a Type-C charger, as you can see here. I think it takes about, I've only actually charged this a few times, you know. It lasts ages, like the charge. I would say it takes about 2 hours maybe. Well, I've left it on for 2 hours and then kind of gone away and done my thing, and it's been fully charged. So yeah, I don't know, 1 to 2 hours maybe to charge. So the LED lights are inside here, and there's 236 LED bulbs that emit 3 clinically recognised wavelengths. So we have the red LED, which is 633 nanometers. The near infrared is 830 nanometers. And there's also the deep near infrared, which is a massive 1072 nanometers. Personally, I noticed some really, I would say, quite decent results after the first 2 weeks, but I wanted to give it a good 4 weeks so I could show you like a really good before and after. So CurrentBody as well are the only brand that actually individually test each LED light in here to guarantee that the wavelengths are precise enough to deliver effective results, which I think is absolutely incredible. So as with all LED therapy, consistency is absolute key. So personally, I actually use my LED mask every day. So I use it after cleansing and before the rest of my skincare routine in the evening. I do sometimes do it in the morning as well if my skin's particularly like my rosacea's playing up or anything like that. I will use it in the morning as well before my makeup application. That's not every day though, that's occasionally, like just as and when I need it. But they do recommend that you use it 3 to 5 times a week over a period of 4 weeks to see fast, effective results. If you've been querying LED therapy and think, oh, it's just a red light on your face, how can that work? You know, what does that do? LED therapy, I have mentioned this many times before, but it's been used in the medical industry for years now to treat like eczema, psoriasis, other skin conditions as well, like all over the body, and it is genuinely really effective. But I will say that consistency, as I said before, consistency is absolute key. You know, you can't expect to use this like once a week and then put it away for a few weeks and think, oh, I'll get that out as a treat. You know, it's not like that. You have to really stay on top of it. So I'm going to show you my results now. So my befores and afters after, I think it's about 5 weeks, you know, so just over a month. And you can really see the difference. Personally, I've noticed a huge difference. I can actually see my fine lines and wrinkles have diminished quite a lot, which I didn't expect to see from this, to be honest, but it has helped there. What I've noticed most about it is my pore size and also my redness. Obviously, you know, if you follow me, you'll know I have rosacea, so my redness has gone down a lot. The brightness in my skin as well, it looks so much more even in tone and it looks so much brighter. Yeah, I honestly cannot believe the results that I've got from this in a short space of time. I'll be honest, other brands that I've worked with have been quite pushy to get my results out quite quick, and it's been like, oh, can you use it over a week or can you use it over 2 weeks? And I've been like, yeah, that's okay. But I do feel like with this kind of device, you need to kind of test it over a decent period of time to see some really good results. And that's something I like about this. As I say, I wasn't sent this to film a video, so they just sent it to me and said, do what you want with it. It's just a gift from us. And it kind of gave me the opportunity to really test it in my own time and upload my honest review of it, which I also think says a lot about the company as well, because I have so much confidence in this device that it's going to work, that they're like, just try it, and they're like, she'll review it. So I am. So they did actually give me a discount code, which is Clare W, which will give you 10% off the entire website. So if you don't want to buy this, which I recommend that you do, but if you don't want to buy this, they have lots of other devices as well. So you will get 10% off the entire website. I'll also pop the mask in the description box below for you if you want to try it out for yourself, or if you're looking to purchase for a loved one for Christmas. They'll thank you. They'll really thank you if you get them this as a gift. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.